The brevity is this: victims always believe that is somebody else outside of them is the reason why they cannot be successful. It doesn't matter how much you cry, it doesn't matter how much you pray. You can pray to God, you can pray to anybody. It doesn't matter. Your life will never change if you don't take responsibility. Hey folks, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Sammy, and today I have something really sweet. 3 types of people on this planet Earth. There are 3 types of people that I've identified that will either become very successful or not, okay? So I want you to write this down. If you're an entrepreneur, alright, look, let's get right into it. 1, the victim. Victim is a person that feels that the reason why they cannot live an extraordinary life is because of somebody else, or they are not getting the right information. The brevity is this: victims always believe that is somebody else outside of them is the reason why they cannot be successful. So write this down: victim. And listen, if that is you, stop it. 2, information whore. Yes. Somebody will say, Sammy, what's an information whore? So this is somebody that constantly consumes information. They read books, they go to seminars, but they never take action. And the reason why they keep reading books, the reason why they keep going to seminars, is because they're trying to gather enough knowledge to make the right choice. Does that make sense? Okay? An information whore. This is the person that never takes action. And the only reason why they keep consuming information is because they don't want to make the wrong move. They don't want to make the wrong decision in life. They want to get everything so perfect. And now this is number 3. And I want you to listen to this closely. This is powerful. The 3rd type is the executionist. Write this down. The executionist. Now, who is the executionist? This is a person that takes massive action. Okay, listen. The executionist, he doesn't need all the facts. Okay? The executionist doesn't need other people's validation that they should do something. Which means is, the executionist, he doesn't ask, hey, should I do this? He doesn't ask his mom, his dad, his mentor, should I make this move? He doesn't. He just does the move immediately. As soon as he gets the idea and it's fresh in his head, he takes it and puts it into action. So let me give you an example. So when I woke up this morning, I had an idea to record a video. And instead of doing so much research on the topic, I just decided to sit my back down and just do the video. Instead of asking so many people, instead of asking my crew, should I do this? Is this topic okay? I just did it. Okay? Listen to me. I just did it because I am an executionist. The question is this, and I want you to be honest with yourself. Which one are you? Are you the victim? Okay? This video is not meant to make you feel bad about your life. Not at all. But I want you to be honest with yourself. Are you the victim? Are you the person right now that constantly complains about why something is not working, or you're blaming other people about why your life is how it is right now. Okay? 2. Are you an informational whore? Write this in the comment section. Listen, are you still reading books, going to seminars, listening to motivational audios, but you haven't taken massive action? You haven't taken the necessary steps that would get you to your destination, that will get you there. Now I know what all you're thinking right now, Sammy, I'm taking action. But I'll ask you this question: how much action are you taking? How often? Hello? If you're taking action right now, how much action are you taking on a consistent basis to get you to your dream? Some of us are listening to so many motivational videos, and all you need to do, sweetheart, is to get up and take massive action. That's all. Consistently. Listen. If you're the victim, all you need to do right now, in this moment, is to take full responsibility. All you need to do is to take full responsibility. Guess what? I did it. I used to blame people. I used to blame the country. I used to blame my parents. I used to blame everybody. I used to blame people around me. But then I realized I had to take responsibility of my life. Okay, I was blaming my circumstances. But once I started taking responsibility, and now listen to me, taking responsibility of things outside your control is very tough. Because you might say, well, it's not my fault that my mom and my dad wasn't there. It's not my fault that the teacher wasn't there. It's not always my fault, Sammy, right? I can take some responsibility, but I can't take all. Because some things were outside my control, right? That's what you be thinking right now. But listen to me. I love you, and this is from my heart. Guess what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't. You still have to take full responsibility of every experience, every event, everything, every painful moment of your life. Comment below and say, Sammy, this is good if you're getting this. I know somebody's getting this. And if you resonate with what I'm saying, I want you to smash the like button. Okay? I want you to say this to yourself: Sammy, I'll take full responsibility of my life. Because listen, it's so easy to play the victim. Seriously. It's so easy. It's so easy. Well, it's so easy to blame others for the issues that you're facing in your life. It's so easy to say, well, if I lived in Canada or America, my life would have been way better than it is. It's so easy for you to say that. But I want you to know this: that victim mentality, it's a disease. Okay? And it's killing a lot of dreams. It's killing a lot of dream achievers. Okay? Killing a lot of potential achievers. Killing a lot. Like, listen, it doesn't matter how much you cry. It doesn't matter how much you pray. You can pray to God, you can pray to anybody. It doesn't matter. Your life will never change if you don't take responsibility. And full responsibility, I mean. It will never change. And listen, don't get me wrong. Your reason or excuses of you playing the victim, whatever you're saying is the cause of your problem, is valid. It's so valid, and I understand. But then, where has that gotten you? What results has that gotten you so far? Nothing. You get what I'm saying? So this is why I'm saying you should take full responsibility of these events that happen in your life. Now listen, I know it sounds harsh, but seriously, this is reality. And this is what happens if you're not paying attention to all these things. Listen, I'm here as a catalyst for you. I'm not here to make you rich. I'm not here to make you successful. I'm not here to make you great. I'm here to share with you that there's greatness inside of you. I'm here to share with you the amount of passion that you think you don't have, that is there in you. I'm here to share with you that even though your life doesn't look like it's going the way you want it to go, you can make a change. It's in your control. You can change. Imagine the possibilities. Write this below. Stop being a victim. Take full responsibility. Stop. Number 2. Stop being an informational whore. Take action. Some of the dumbest people in this world are so wealthy and rich. Seriously, take action. Just take action when it's necessary. Because listen, while you're talking about gathering the confidence to chase your dream, to start that job, that person has already started 10 companies, failed, and started the 11th one, and it worked. Okay? And 3, become an executionist. You've got to execute. Keep moving. You've got to move. You've got to execute. Like me, when I have an idea in my head, I just started. Listen, I don't think about what this guy is going to say or that lady is going to say. I just started. If it doesn't work, you just do something else. It's just easy, okay? For God's sake, you just have one life to live in this world. So if you don't do it, then what happens? Nothing, right? But then if you do it, there's a possibility of it working. Have you ever thought of that before? Or if you have a problem with taking action, I can help you. Or, oh, Sammy, it's hard to do this. It's hard to be so confident in myself to go do this. Imagine right now, I want you to add 40 years to your age right now. So if you're 20 years old, I want you to imagine you're 60. If you're 50, imagine you're what? 90. Woof. You're almost dead. And I want you to think to yourself, you're 80, you're 90, you're 70. That burning desire that you wanted to do, like that burning desire in you for you to do something, and you were so confused about that you didn't know how to get there. Would you regret? Would you be that person sitting in that wheelchair or sitting in front of your house and thinking about all the things you could have done? And the question is, how would you feel? Because listen, right now you're young, you have energy, you have the mental capacity to do stuff, okay? But then listen, if you're 60 or 70 years old, would you regret not taking massive action? What would you say to yourself? Listen, what would a 60-year-old you say or tell yourself today? Think for a second. What would that person say? Say if you're 70-year-old, okay? As we all know, time passes so fast. If you're 80 right now, what would 80-year-old say to you right now? You know what it would say to a lot of you? Man, I messed up. Man, I could have done this. I could have done this. I messed up my 20s. I messed up my 30s. I could have done something with my life. I procrastinated too much or so lethargic. Listen, think about it for a second. If your 70-year-old self was able to talk to you right now, what would they say? Hey guys, that's about it. I love you. Victims? No, that's not what you want to be. Informational whore? I get it. You I know you're reading. You're almost there. Just take action. That's it. Executioners. I know that's you. Take action now. Not when you get some money. Not when you have all the information or the knowledge right now. No. Not when you get everything together. I want you to take action now. I want you to boldly say or comment below, I will take action now, Sammy. I'll take action now. Hey guys, right now. I mean now. Which means is leave the video. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified as soon as I post. It's your boy Sammy, and I'm out. Peace.